Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we take the confusion out of shopping and make it as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. Yep, you heard that right, power supplies. If you thought power supplies were boring, it's time to plug in and power up your excitement. In one corner, we have the Corsair RM 850 from 2021. This beauty will make your PC run smoother than butter on a hot pan. And in the other corner, we have the Thermaltake GF1 from 2024, ready to take you into the future of electricity like Doc Brown in a DeLorean. Let's see which one is the real power champion. Buckle up because it's about to get shocking. Let's kick things off with the price. The Corsair RM 850 is ringing in at a hefty $139. That's like buying a fancy dinner for two, or one very overpriced avocado toast. Meanwhile, the Thermaltake GF1 is a steal at just $109. Reviewers have pointed out that the Thermaltake GF1 offers great value for its price, making it an appealing choice for budget-conscious builders. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, Thermaltake is definitely winning this round. But hey, you can't put a price on reliability, or can you? Next up, let's talk about modularity. Corsair RM 850 is fully modular, which means you only connect the cables you need. It's like a buffet where you don't have to load up on the broccoli, only the good stuff. Meanwhile, the Thermaltake GF1 is also fully modular, so you can leave out those pesky cables that look like a giant spider web in your case. Reviewers for both products appreciate the modular designs, as they allow for a cleaner build and better airflow. So in this round, it's a tie. You get to customize your setup with both. But I have to say, if you're going for that minimalist aesthetic, you might just want to skip the broccoli entirely. Now, let's talk about fan noise. Because who wants their power supply sounding like a jet engine? The Corsair RM 850 features a 140mm rifle-bearing fan with a fan curve that's been calculated to keep the noise down. It even has a 0 RPM mode for when you're just chilling, binge-watching your favorite show. Reviewers have praised the Corsair for its silent operation, especially during low loads. On the other hand, the Thermaltake GF1 boasts a Smart Zero fan feature that minimizes noise like a ninja in the night. Users have noted its ultra-quiet operation during gaming. So if you're trying to sneak in some late-night gaming without waking the neighbors, both are solid options. But if you want to feel like you're in a library, Thermaltake takes the cake. Now, let's get technical for a moment. The Corsair RM 850 comes equipped with industrial-grade, 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors. That's right, folks, these bad boys can handle the heat. It's like the power supply version of a hot yoga class, flexible and reliable. Reviewers have highlighted the quality and durability of Corsair's components, stating they can be trusted for long-term use. Meanwhile, the Thermaltake GF1 also has built-in industrial-grade protections. Reviewers have noted that it performs well under pressure, making it a dependable choice for various builds. So whether you're gaming hard or just browsing cat videos, both supplies are built to withstand the pressure. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your PC. Who wouldn't want that? Overall, both power supplies have received positive feedback from users. The Corsair RM 850 is often praised for its quality, reliability, and silent operation. On the other hand, the Thermaltake GF1 is recognized for its affordability, ease of installation, and solid performance, appealing to those on a tighter budget. Both products have their strengths and cater to different needs, ensuring that users can find a suitable power supply for their builds. So what's the verdict? If you're all about saving some cash, the Thermaltake GF1 is your go-to. But if you want that extra reliability and a bit of a luxury feel, the Corsair RM 850 is the way to go. Ultimately, it all comes down to your personal preference, like choosing between chocolate and vanilla ice cream. Both are delicious, but one might just hit the spot a little better. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this electrifying showdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next product battle. Until next time, keep it smart, keep it savvy, and keep it powered up. Product links are in the description.